I'd like to welcome you to my video for the coyzna Eden French press. And this is a very, very nice French press. So as you can see here, you've got the plunger, and I will pick that up here. And then you have what's referred to as the lid. You have on the bottom here, we have the filter, and you can see first you have a spiral. Can you see that spiral right there? And underneath that you have, it's called the cross plate, and you have the filters. Now this does come with extra filters, which is very nice. A lot of French presses do not. It also comes with a measuring spoon. This spoon is, I'm gonna estimate it's a tablespoon. Can't really read it real well, but it says 7 grams, 0.25 ounces per cup. So what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to make coffee with the French press. Now, you take your glass beaker, and in the glass beaker you're going to put your coffee. Now, I do not have the correct kind of coffee right now because you do need a coarse ground coffee, and sadly I have a fine ground coffee. So I'm actually going to put a lot less than I would if it was a coarse ground. And also another bad thing is that I will probably have coffee, tasting coffee in my coffee. But that's okay. I will accept that. So I don't know if you just heard that, but my water is complete. I'm going to put it in. And I usually only like to go, pretty much I use this ring as my guide. And I'm going to go to the top of the ring, and that's about it right there. And then you insert your plunger, and what I like to do is, you can see this is shaped differently. I like to put this side by the lip, and the reason I do that is because I feel like that keeps the coffee warmer. So I keep the bigger side by the lip. So now I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been a few minutes now, and I'm going to show you the next step in the process. So the next step is very easy. You take the plunger and you push it down, and it goes down very smooth, very easy, and you can see I feel there's a little resistance. So you just kind of push steadily, and I think you could see the wires going down. In a minute, when I finish this, I'm going to have some very good coffee. Now, generally, as I said, you're going to use a coarser ground. So now, because I did move the lid, I do have to twist it around. So as you can see now, there's some spouts where you can pour it. So I'm going to put that way. And I'm going to put my lovely teacup in here, so that you can actually see the coffee. And I like to hold it, but you don't have to. But now I wish I had smell-o-vision so that you could smell how yummy this is. Got to leave a little room because I like a hair of cream in mine. So that's a perfect cup of coffee. This is all made by the coyzna Eden French Press 34 ounce. Thank you for watching my video.